It's another K-Town beat.
Hey, today I got the Wahl Mentors, right? Comes with 4 blades. We got the triple out, the OA, the 1 and the 1A, the Mentor. Only thing about this, I'm gonna say from the beginning, it got a cord on it, but we still gonna make it work. I know people been asking me, hey, can you show me how to use detachable blades? And you know, I know how to use them, but I ain't been using them. So look, the Mentor design. And this is actually named after a very special guy, and he was the mentor. I'll give y'all the backstory on it later, but it's good for bulk removal, traditional on the scalp tapering and fading, ideal for clip over cone work, and precision fades, right? 2 speed levels, lightweight, detachable blades, constant speed, brushless motor. That brushless motor is key, right? Then we got 2 speeds down here. You see the same thing right here. This is all the stuff that it comes with. So look, without further ado, let me unbox it for you so you can see everything, right? So now we're gonna pull this out, right? So boom, this what comes in the package. You already know you got your cord, your power cord, and your clipper. We got, you know, a brush and that. So, you know, you got your manual to show you how to do that. So this is 3 blades, and I'm sure it's a blade on there. So you got the OA, you got the triple out, and you got the 1A. You need these right here, right? You need these, so. Also, pull it out. So this is it. This thing is beautiful, man. Beautiful. I love it. Look at that. Pardon my hands, y'all. You know, it's the weather keeps switching up on me. You know, so you got the things here. 2 speeds. Speed. So we're gonna plug it up. We're gonna listen to the sound, you know, and see how they work. I haven't used detachables in a long time. So look, we're gonna make this thing pop. We're gonna get it cracking. Let's go. Now I got them plugged up. The good thing about it is the cord is actually really long, right? It's really long. So at least I can reach all the way out over here, you know, so my cord is really long. So let's see how they sound. Not too noisy, right? Good. Not too noisy. That's at the highest speed. At a lower speed, it's even more quiet, right? Smooth. That thing sounds smooth, man. I like this. You can probably use this on kids and, you know, not affect them. And it's really light, like they said. It's really lightweight. So I'm about to use it. I might be able to do a ball fade with these certain types of tapers. So we'll see. Let's get it.
It's another K-Town beat. It's another K-Town beat. It's another K-Town beat.